Hi, welcome to InspireUI. With FluxStore MAX app, you can set multi-languages for the onboarding screen. To do that, follow this guide. In your FluxStore MAX source code, open the env.dart file in the lib folder. Copy the code of onboarding config. Open the config.json files in the libconfig folder. Scroll to the end of the file and paste the copied code. Save and do the same steps for other languages or config.json files. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.